So this is lecture number 8, and we will continue with the drainage system. We did some basics of the drainage system in the last class. Okay, how the Himalayan and Peninsular drainage system they evolved and how they are different from each other. Okay, and few basic concepts related to the drainage system we also covered in the last class. So we will continue with that, and we will now discuss the individual drainage system, right? So basically we will start with first the Indus drainage basin, Indus drainage system. Okay, and we will discuss first the Indus drainage system, and after that we will discuss the Ganga drainage system. So let us start with the Indus drainage system first. So let us see in the map that how this Indus River, it starts from the Manjira Lake. Okay, this is Manjira Lake, and it flows northwestward, right? And then it flows something like that, and it has 5 tributaries. Okay, this is the Jhelum River. This is Jhelum River, right? This is Chennai River. Here, something like that. Okay, this is Ravi, right? Something like that. This is Beas River here. Okay, this is Salaal River. Okay, and they also flows here. And after that, in the Panchnath, the all 5 rivers they move towards the Arabian Sea. Let us mark this. First is this is the Indus River, right? Indus River originates from the Manjira Lake. This is Jhelum River, right? This is Chennai River, right? Let us take a different color. This is the what happened? Ravi River, right? This is Beas River, and this is the Salaal River. So these are the 5 tributaries of Indus River. Okay, now we will see each river separately, right? So first of all, see, Jhelum River originates from the Sesnag Lake. The river originates from Sesnag Lake, right? And this is also called the sometime Very Nag, right? And this river, Jhelum River, it flows through Wooler Lake. Okay, this also has to be remembered, Wooler Lake. Okay, and Jhelum River meets the Chenab River in Pakistan. So Jhelum River meets Chenab in Pakistan. Right? Moving on to the second tributary of the Indus River is Chenab River, right? This Chenab River. Now, Chenab River is basically the tributary of the Jhelum is tributary of Chenab, and Chenab is the combination of basically 2 rivers, Chandra and Bhaga. So Chandra plus Bhaga, these 2 rivers join to form the Chenab River, right? And these 2 rivers meet at the Tandi in Kelong, near, you can remember this place, Kailong. So at this place these 2 rivers meet, forming the Chenab River, right? And these two streams, that is Chandra and Bhaga, these two streams originate in Himachal Pradesh. These two, Chandra and Bhaga, they originate in Himachal Pradesh. Right? Okay. So this is Chandra, Bhaga and Chenab River. Moving on to the next river, that is the Bias River. Sorry, Ravi River. So Ravi River originates from the or close to the Rohtang Pass, right, in Kullu Hills. So near Rohtang Pass, it originates, okay, in Kullu Hills, and it cuts through both Pir Panjal and Dholadhar, cuts through Pir Panjal ranges. Okay, so this is about the Ravi River. Moving on to the next river, that is the Bias River. Bias River also originates close to Rohtang Pass, right? And the Bias River meets the Satluj River at Harike. So where is the meeting point? So this is the meeting point. Let us make it with different color. So this point, this is the point where the Bias River meets the Satluj River. This is Harike. It is a wetland site also, Harike, right? And this is a very important site, Harike, because the Satluj River, which originates from the Rakas Lake, this is Satluj, right? And this is the Rakas Lake. This is Rakas Lake, right? This is Rakas Lake, and Satluj enters India, okay, and meeting the Bias River at Harike. From this meeting point, we have a canal. So let us take a different page together. So this was the Rakas Lake. From here the Satluj enters India. This is the path of the Bias River, okay, something like this is the point where the Harike is located, and from here the river, the canal, Indira Gandhi Canal is taken out. So this is the Indira Gandhi Canal, right? And this canal takes the water up to Jaisalmer. So this is the shape here like that. So this is the Jaisalmer district. So this canal brings the water up to Jaisalmer district, okay, and used for irrigation. So earlier this region was almost not used for cultivation, but now the wheat is cultivated in this region, right? So this is the Indus basin and Indus Dna System. Okay, few other concepts of Indus Dna systems are also left, like some projects, river valley projects. So let us first of all do the river valley projects of this thing, the Indus basin, right? So in projects we will first see the projects on Satluj River. See, there are the two projects. One is the Bhakra, other is Nangal. Bhakra, other is Nangal. Right. See, this is the Satluj River here. Right. This is Satluj River. Now, in Satluj Ke basin, in Himachal Pradesh, we have one is the Bhakra. Here is the Bhakra. Here is the Nangal Dam. Right. This is Bhakra, and this is the Nangal. Right. And this Bhakra is the highest dam in India. Highest in terms of highest level dam, with the height of 226 meter above the river level, right? And the dam and the reservoir which is formed by this Bhakra here, this Bhakra Dam, this reservoir here, this is called the Govind Sagar reservoir. This is the Govind Sagar reservoir. Right. Moving on to the next project, that is the Prong Project. Prong Project is based on Bias River. Okay, and it is built in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, इतना याद रखना है. Now moving on to the next project, that is the Chamera Project. It is also built on the Ravi River, not Bias, Ravi River, and is present in the Himachal Pradesh. Right. Moving on to the next project, that is the Salaal Project. Salaal Project is based on the Chenab River and is built on the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. Right. Moving on to the next project, that is the Baglihar. Baglihar Project. Baglihar Project is based on the Chenab River again. It is built in the Jammu and Kashmir. Right. Moving on to the next project, that is Dulhasti Project. Dulhasti Project is based on the Chenab River and is built on Jammu and Kashmir in Jammu and Kashmir state. Right. This is the Dulhasti. Moving on to the next project, that is Toolbool Project. Toolbool Project. Toolbool Project is based on the Jhelum River. Jhelum River and is built in Jammu and Kashmir. Right. Remember this. And one more left, that is the Uri Project. Uri Project. Uri Project is based on the Jhelum River and in Baramulla district of the Jammu and Kashmir. Jhelum River and is in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir, J&K. Right. So these are the projects that we saw. The Pong Project, that is on Bias River. Chamera Project on the Ravi River. Salaal Project on Chenab River. Okay, Baglihar Project on the Chenab River. Dulhasti again on Chenab. Tulbul, Jhelum, Uri again on Jhelum. So this was the Indus River system that we did. Okay, I think it was here. Yes. Sorry. So this was the Indus River system that we did in detail. Okay, all the projects of Indus River system. Moving on to the next project, next drainage basin, that is the Ganga drainage basin. Ganga drainage basin. So Ganga drainage basin को हम दो जगह करेंगे. One in the upper reaches in the Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas. Okay, that is before Haridwar और एक हरिद्वार के बाद beyond Haridwar. Okay. In Haridwar, Ganga enters in plains. So हरिद्वार के बाद हम गंगा को जनरली मानते हैं गंगा enters the plain और हरिद्वार के बाद ही big tributaries join the Ganga. Okay. So this is the scheme of things of the Ganga. Or we will do the both left wing and the left bank and the right bank tributaries, all the rivers. Right. So here is the first thing. First of all, in the upper reaches. Right. So what is the situation in upper reaches? That Ganga is basically the Bhagirathi River. This is Bhagirathi River. Okay, which color to use? Let me see. Wait, this would be the appropriate one. Okay, see, this is the Bhagirathi River, right? Bhagirathi. And Bhagirathi River originates from Gangotri Glacier. This is Gangotri Glacier here. This is Gangotri, right? And this is Bhagirathi River. Bhagirathi River joins the Alaknanda. Alaknanda, this is the Alaknanda. Right, this is Alaknanda River. Bhagirathi River joins the Alaknanda at Devprayag. This is the Devprayag. Okay, this is Devprayag. Right. Alaknanda River is joined by Mandakini River at Rudraprayag. So this is Mandakini. And here this point is Rudraprayag. Right. In the upper reaches, this is the Pindar River. This is Pindar River. And Pindar River joins the Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. So this point is Karnaprayag. Okay, this is Karnaprayag. In this thing here, this is the Badrinath River, and this joins the Alaknanda at Josimath. This is Josimath. Right. And beyond Josimath, this stretch is called the Dholi River. Dholi River. And this was the main stretch, let us say this Dholi River, this Josimath, this area hit by this 2021 avalanche. Okay, where the Topawan dam was completely washed away. So this was the reason basically here that you can remember. Okay, this is Pindar River, this is Karnaprayag, Alaknanda meeting Mandakini at Rudraprayag, Devprayag, this is Bhagirathi meeting the Alaknanda at Devprayag. Okay, and you move ahead like this in this manner here. Okay, this point is Rishikesh. This point is Rishikesh here. Right, and this is Haridwar. And after this, Ganga enters in the plains, right? Okay, these were the upper tributaries of the Ganga. Now after Haridwar, we are moving on to the next segment, that is the see when the Ganga enters the plains, we know that this is the river Ganga, and the right bank tributary of river Ganga is Yamuna. So Yamuna is the longest tributary of Ganga. So this is Yamuna here, right, and this is river Ganga, right, and they meet at Allahabad here, right. But river Yamuna also has its number of tributaries. So first let us do the tributaries of Yamuna, and then we will do the tributaries of Ganga. So in Yamuna case, this is river Yamuna, right. River Yamuna's longest tributaries is Chambal. This is Chambal River, Jumble River originates from Maho. Maho is in Malwa region of MP. Malwa region of MP. Right, so this much is remembered. The left bank tributary of Jumble is Banas. Here, this is Banas River. Right, this is Banas River. And this is left bank tributary. Right bank tributary of the Jumble is Kali Sindh. This is Kali Sindh River. So let me use this thing. Wait a second. Okay. So this is Jumble River here. Jumble River. Right. This is Kali Sindh. Right. And this is Parvati River. Parvati River. Right. Here is the Sindh River. This is Sindh. And this is Betwa. Right. And this is Kane River. What you can remember, this region, I mean, use different color. This region is the Malwas. So, sorry, Vindhyan Himalayas. Vindhyan ranges. Vindhyan ranges, right? So, these rivers mostly originate from the Vindhyan ranges, right? On the Betwa River, a very important city is located. You can remember. Okay, that is Sanchi. Okay. This much is to be remembered. And on this Kali Sindh River, here located is the Ujjain. Right. So these are the tributaries of the Yamuna River. Okay. And the projects on the Yamuna and the tributaries of Yamuna we will do, like project on the Chambal and the Banas River. Okay, all those projects we will do in a minute. So first of all, let us do the tributaries of the Ganga River. Right. So let us do the Ganga River. Okay, we have done the Indus, Yamuna. Okay. So this is Ganga River, main Ganga River. Right. Okay, we have done the tributary of Ganga, that is the Yamuna River. Right, Yamuna. Okay. Here this is the Ram Ganga River. This is Ram Ganga, right, which meets the Ganga at Kannauj. So this is Kannauj, right. Moving on to the next tributary, Gomti. Okay, this is the Gomti River, right. This is Gomti, right. And on the Gomti there is important city, that is Jaunpur. So this is Jaunpur. So let us make it other side. Okay, this is Jaunpur, right. The next tributary after the Gomti is Ghagra. So this is Ghagra here, right. Another tributary of Ghagra is Rapti, River Rapti, right. And one more tributary of Ghagra is Sarda. This is Sarda here, Sarda, Sarda. Okay. And important city on the Ghagra River here is Barabanki. So this is Barabanki, right. Moving on to the next tributary. So you can also remember that Ghagra, when meets at the Yamuna, this place is Chhapra, district of Bihar. right? Moving on to the next tributary, that is the Gandak. This is Gandak here, right? Okay, this is Gandak River, and here from south also meets here Son River. This is Son River. Okay, tributary of Son is Rihand. This is Rihand River, and this is Patna here, right? This is Patna here. Next tributary is the Kosi after Gandak here. This is Kosi River, right? After Kosi, the last left bank tributary of Ganga is Mahananda. This is Mahananda, originating from the Darjeeling Hills, Himalayas, right? Okay. After this thing, Mahananda, the one river separates in the south, that is Hooghly River. Okay, Hooghly River, and the tributary of Hooghly are Damodar and Ajay. Okay, so this is Ajay River, and this is Damodar River, right? After this point, Ganga is called as the Padma, right? And when the Padma is joined by the Brahmaputra, then it is called as the Meghna. Okay, that we will do in the Brahmaputra drainage basin. So these are the tributaries of the Ganga River, right? So we have done the tributaries of Yamuna River, Ganga River, and the tributaries of Ganga River. Now moving on to the next part, that is the important projects. Important projects. The one important project in the upper reaches is the Tehri Dam. So we must know about the Tehri Dam. Okay, Tehri Dam is in Uttarakhand, and it is situated at the Bhagirathi and the Bhil Ganga confluence. So this is Bhagirathi River, right? This is the Bhil Ganga River, right? And Bhagirathi meet at the Alaknanda at Deoprayag, we all know. Okay, so this point is Deoprayag. Right, this point is Deoprayag here, right? And this is Bhagirathi, and this river is the Bhil Ganga, right? And at this point, this is the site of the Tehri Dam. Okay, here is the Tehri Dam. It is the earthen dam, right? And is situated in the zone 5, vulnerable zone for the earthquake, right? Highly vulnerable zone. Moving on to the next projects. Next is the Tanakpur Project. Tanakpur Project. Tanakpur Project is at the Indo-Nepal border. Indo-Nepal border, right? And this river is on river Kali. Okay, so you remember this Tanakpur project on Indo-Nepal border and is present on the river Kali. Okay, the next project is the Gandak project. Gandak project, as the name there, on Gandak River, and is present in the Valmiki Nagar district of Bihar. Okay, and is again the joint project of India and Nepal, Indo-Nepal. Right. Moving on to the next project, that is the Kosi project. See, Kosi project is again on Kosi River on Nepal-Bihar border. Nepal and Bihar border. Okay, and the next project is the Rihand project. Rihand project is on the Rihand River, which is the tributary of Son River, right? And it is situated on the Sonbhadra district of UP. Sonbhadra district of UP. And the Rihand Dam, this Rihand Dam, this one, Rihand Dam, it forms the reservoir that is known as Govind Ballabh Sagar. Reservoir, and it is in the border of Chhattisgarh and MP. Okay, so you remember this is the Rihand project. Moving on to the next one, that is the Sagar project. Okay, the Sagar project. Okay, Sagar project is situated on Son River. This much is to be remembered. At it, and the place where it is present is the Sahdol district. Sahdol district of Madhya Pradesh. Right. So this is Sagar project. Moving on to the next project, that is again a very important one, Matalita project. Matalita project. Okay, Matalita project is on river Betwa. Okay, tributary of Yamuna, that we did, and it is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, you will remember this much. Uttar Pradesh plus MP, shared by both the states, but the main project is in the Uttar Pradesh, UP. Right. Then moving on to the third one, the Jumble project. The next one, again the important one, that is Jumble project. So Jumble project is the joint project of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. This is joint project of MP plus Rajasthan, and three main dams are built. Three main dams are built under it. Right. So which are these three dams? Number one is the Gandhi Sagar. Sorry. Gandhi Sagar reservoir. Okay, and the dam that falls is in the Chora Singha district of MP. Right, Chora Singha district of MP, Madhya Pradesh. Right. So this is the reservoir associated with the Gandhi Sagar reservoir associated with the Chora Singha dam, right? The second dam is in the Rawat Bhata, okay, and third dam is in the Kota. The reservoir associated with this Rawat Bhata is the Rana Pratap Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar reservoir, right? And the reservoir associated with the Kota one is the Jawahar Sagar, right? So these three dams and associated reservoirs that you have to remember in Jumble project. Moving on to the next one, that is the Damodar Valley River Project, DVC. Okay, Damodar Valley Project, right? So this is the Damodar River here. Let us wait. Okay, this is Damodar River, right? This is the main tributary of Damodar River, that is Barakar River, right? So this is Barakar River, and this is the Damodar River. Right. Here we have a reservoir. Sorry, not reservoir. The barrage, that is Durgapur barrage. Durgapur barrage, and from this barrage emanates a canal. Right. There is a canal from Durgapur barrage. Okay. Here you have the. This is the Penchant Dam here. This is Penchant Dam. Okay, at this point. Here you have the IR dam or Konar dam. Maybe you can make the Konar dam here. This is Konar dam, right? And on the Barakar River, the two important that you must remember, the one is the Telaiya dam, okay, and one here you can remember, that is the Maithon dam, Maithon, Maithon dam, right? So these basically four dams, although there are many dams on this Damodar River Valley system, but these four to be remember, that is Penchant, Konar, Telaiya and Maithon, right? So we have done the Ganga River system. Okay, this was the last of the Ganga River system, the projects on the Ganga River system, right? Moving on to the next drainage basin, that is the Brahmaputra. Okay, so in case of Brahmaputra River system, we know the Brahmaputra River starts from again the Mansarovar Lake, and in the China, in the Tibet region, this is called the Yarlang Sangpo. This is Yarlang Sangpo, right? This is the Tibetan region. But when this river enters the Arunachal Pradesh from here, okay, this is Arunachal Pradesh. In the Arunachal Pradesh, this is called the Dihang River, right? And the two left bank tributaries of Dihang River which joins it, number one is Dhansari, another is the Lohit here. So this is Dhansari, DH. Okay, this is Dhansari River. Okay, this is Lohit River. Okay, then from here it enters into the plains of the Assam, and henceforth it is called the Brahmaputra. And two more left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra. One is the Kopili. This is Kopili River, right? And here you have Dhansari River. Sorry, not Dhansari. Yes, this is Dhansari. and this is not Dhansri River. Number 4, this is the Dibang River, not Dhansri River, sorry. This is Dibang River, actually this is Dibang River, Dibang. Okay, and this is Dihang or Siang, it is also called as the Siang. Right, now the right bank tributary, these were the left bank tributaries. Moving on to the right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra River. This is coming here. Okay, not coming, this is Subansiri. This is Subansiri. Okay, and the tributary of Subansiri is Kurung. This is Kurung here, this is Kurung, right. Then you have the Kameng River here, this is Kameng, right. Then you have the Manas River here, this is Manas, right. After Manas you have the Sankos River here, this is Sankos, okay. After Sankos you have Tista River. Okay, and this is Dhubri, this point here where the Brahmaputra enters the Bangladesh. Okay, right. And after that it is called the Padma, Brahmaputra River. So this is the river system of the Brahmaputra, its tributaries, left bank as well as the right bank tributaries, right. So we have done the Ganga, Brahmaputra as well as Yamuna. Moving on to the next, that is the Peninsula drainage system, and in the Peninsula we must first do the largest river of Peninsula, that is Godavari. So first do the Godavari river system. Godavari River originates from Nasik, and there is a place that is Trimbakeshwar. Okay, so from here the Godavari River originates. It is in the Western Ghats, Maharashtra. Right. Now let us make the drainage system of the Godavari. So this is the Godavari River, right? And this is the right bank tributary of Godavari, that is the Manjira River. This is Manjira River or Manjara River, right. This is here Dudhna, this is Purna here. So this is Dudhna, this is Purna, right. After that you have the here the Pen Ganga, here Vardha, and here Ven Ganga. Okay, so these three river systems, this is Pen Ganga, okay, this is Vardha, okay, or DHA, not Vardha, it is Vardha, WARDHA, Vardha river system, and this is Ven Ganga, right. Here you have Indravati, this is Indravati River, right. Okay, this is Sileru, okay, Sileru, and on the Sileru or Sileri River, on this Sileri River we have Bali Mela, reservoir. Okay, you can remember this. Okay, so and after that Brahmaputra, this Godavari River enters into the Bay of Bengal, forming the delta, earthquake delta here. Okay, this is the delta. So this is the Godavari River system. Manjira, this is Godavari main river, right? Manjira, Godavari, Dudhna, Purna, Ganga, Vardha, Ganga, Indravati and Sileru. Very simple. Okay, moving on to the next drainage system of the peninsular India, that is the Krishna River system. Okay, so this is the Krishna River here, something like that. This is the shape of Krishna River, main Krishna River. Okay, here it is joined by Tungbhadra River. Okay, this is Tungbhadra. Okay, this is Malprabha here. The Malprabha, right? Then you have Ghatprabha. Here you have Ghatprabha. Right. After Ghatprabha, you have the Koyna River. This is Koyna River here. And this is Krishna. Right. And this is the Bhima River. Right. And here you have three rivers, that is the Dindi, Musi and Muneru. So you have, this is the Dindi River, this is Musi, and this is Muneru. Okay, after that it also enters into the Bay of Bengal, forming the delta. So this is the Krishna River and its tributary system, right? Other thing that you can remember in this Krishna is that Tungabhadra is again the combination of two streams, that is Tunga and Bhadra. This is Tunga River and this is Bhadra River. Okay, and on the Bhadra River you have the Bhadravati Reservoir or Bhadra Reservoir, that is called. Okay, here is the Bhadra Reservoir. Okay, moving on to the next drainage basin, that is the Mahanadi. So we have done Godavari and the Krishna. Now Mahanadi river system. This is the shape of Mahanadi River. Okay, this is Sionath River here. This is Sionath River, right? This is Hasdo River here. Okay, HAS. This is Mand, MAND River. Mand River, right? Here you have the Onge River, Onge River, and after that you have the Tel River, TEL. River. Okay, so this is the Mahanadi River system and its tributaries, right? Moving on to the next drainage basin, that is the Kaveri system. Okay, now Kaveri is something of a shape. The shape of river is like this. Okay, and this is the distributary of Kaveri. This is actually the delta region. This is the delta region, and this is the Kolidam River. Kolidam River, right? This is Kaveri, right? This is the Amravati River, right? This is Noil River, right? After Noil, you have the Bhadravati River, not Bhadravati, sorry, Bhavani River. Bhavani River, here you have Bhavani, right? After that, you have Laxman Tirtha here. This is Laxman Tirtha, right? This is Laxman Tirtha River here, right? This is Krishna River here. This is Yagchi. This is Yagchi River, right? And here this is Simsha. This is Simsha River. So this is the Kaveri River system and its tributary. So you noted this thing. Kolidam, you have Kaveri, Amravati, Noil, you have Bhavani, Laxman Tirtha, Yagchi, and the Simsa River, right? Now few other things with regard to this Kaveri River system, that is the some barrage and some the dams and the reservoirs. Okay, see here you have the Krishna Raj Sagar Dam. This is the Krishna Raj Sagar reservoir. We have to write this. Okay, Krishna Raj Sagar reservoir. Okay, here you have the Srirangapatnam River Island. Okay, so there are two riverine islands on the Krishna. One is the Srirangapatnam. Okay, and another is the at the I think. Okay, the two riverine island. One is Srirangapatnam River Island, and another is the Sivsamudram. Here you have the Sivsamudram. River Island. Okay, the two riverine islands. Okay, here you have the Stanley Reservoir. This is the Stanley Reservoir, and on the Stanley Reservoir you have the dam, that is the Mettur Dam. Mettur Dam, right? And on the Kaveri River here you have Hoganakal Falls. Hoganakal Falls, right? So this is the structure of the Kaveri River basin. Okay, that is to be remembered. Okay, so these are the major river systems of India that we did. Now what is there is, so some other river system that must be remembered. This is the Indian Peninsula here. Okay, this is the, say this is Krishna River. Here is the Godavari River. This is Godavari. This is Krishna, right? Below Krishna here we have another river, that is Peneru River. This is Peneru River, right? This is Palar River here. Okay, Palar River, and here the Ponniyar River, or this is Ponniyar River. Okay, after that you have the same, that is Kaveri River system. This is Kaveri River system, right? And other river that we did not discuss is the Mahi. So this is Mahi River here, falling in the Gulf of Khambat. This is Mahi, Okay, this is Sabarmati River here again falling in the Gulf of Khambat. Sabarmati River. Okay, and this is the this is the Gulf of Kutch, this region, and in the Gulf of Kutch one river disappears, that is the Loni River. So this is the Loni River and it disappears in the Gulf of Kutch. Okay, Sabarmati River originates from Aravalli. This river originates from Aravallis. Okay, and Mahi River originates from Vindhyan, then ranges, right? So these rivers, that is Peneru, Palar, Ponniyar plus Sabarmati, Mahi and the Luni. Okay, these to be remembered, right? So we have done almost the drainage system, major drainage system, right? Except some drainage of the Western Ghat, that is short and swift rivers of this region, right? And these rivers include like Pamba River, okay, Periyar River, Alappuzha River, okay, or Bharat, sorry, Alappuzha, not Alappuzha, Bharat Puzha River, right? So these are the rivers which flow in the Kerala, right? So some other rivers are also there which flows in the Goa and the Maharashtra. Soft and fast streaming rivers. Okay, short rivers, swift rivers making estuarine deltas. Okay, so these are the major river systems of the India. And so this concept that we did here in this class was can mainly be utilized in the prelims based questions, fact based questions. Second, in geography means the map based question can be framed from here also, right? In geography optional paper number 2, the first question which has the 10 entries, any entry from the river section can be asked from here, right? So this was it for in this class. So we will again moving on to the next class. The next class would again be on the drainage system, because drainage system is not over, and we will start with the remaining topics of the drainage system in the next class. Okay, so this was it in this class. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Okay, so subscribe the channel and we will meet in the next class. So thank you.